How to recover Gmail account without two-step verification. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover Gmail account without two-step verification. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up Google in your device. And in the search bar, search for Google Account Recovery. Navigate to the first link on your interface. Once you're here, scroll down a bit. Then you have to tap on the link under Forgot Your Password section that says follow the steps to recover your Google account or Gmail. So tap on that link. That's gonna take you to this account recovery page. Here, you have to type your Gmail address. Tap on Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password and tap on Next. Now when it asks for your two-step code, there you have to tap in Try Another Way repeatedly until you get a backup option. Then Google may ask you last password you remember, your backup email, security questions, or it will say we will get back to you in 3 to 5 business days. Then you have to wait for the Google's review email. If no backup methods work, you will get a message saying that Google needs more time to verify that it's you. After that, you will receive an email in 3 to 5 days at your recovery email about the outcome. There, make sure to follow the instructions properly to recover your email. But if you don't have any recovery email or phone, then your recovery will depend upon the providing your old password, correctly answering all your security questions, using the same device locations that you have used before, and keeping your recovery browser session open. That will help Google to verify your identity. So these are some of the ways that will help you recover your Gmail account without two-step verification, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.